A lot of the work that we want to do is about having influence and impact, and so to do that, it's about forming effective partnerships, so really looking to work very closely with partners, whether they be community groups or whether they be government or industry. Yeah, my name's Stuart Bunn. I'm a professor and director of the Australian Rivers Institute at Griffith University. Well, as director, I oversee the management of all of the staff in the institute, but I also have a major role in setting strategic direction. So a big part of my time is spent looking at strategic research opportunities, developing new partnerships, and I still maintain a bit of an active role in research and student supervision, so it's great. It'd be the largest grouping of aquatic and coastal and catchment scientists in a university in Australia, and the point of difference is that because not only do we have this range of expertise across from the biophysical sciences all the way down to economics and law and the social sciences, but we're also able to operate from all aspects of the water cycle and from the tops of catchments right down to the coastal zones. So we're one of the few groups in the country that really develops projects and looks at problems from the source of catchments right down to the coastal zone. We also recognise, we're a big group, but we don't have all the expertise, and nearly all of our major programs of work are done in collaboration. So we partner up in a whole range of different ways with other universities, government agencies, CSIRO, and that's when you start to get some really, clever and large-scale, big picture sort of work done. And I think that's been a distinguishing feature of the work that we do. The engagement side of the work that we do is incredibly important because, if you want to actually implement change, you've got to be able to bring people along with you. So a lot of the work that we do for things like environmental flow determination or assessing river health are all based on community values. So working with people, understanding their values, incorporating that into the way in which you develop the tools and techniques is a really essential part. At the same time, being able to work very closely with policymakers and decision makers, completely different ball game, but equally important if you want to really see things happen. So what does the future hold for us is we'd like to see ourselves play a more significant role in the international space. We think that we've got a lot to offer in that regard, and so we are hosting the new Global Water Science Program, the Water Future Program, and we see a significant opportunity for us to have a research role in informing the sustainable development agenda around water, and that's going to be a big focus for us over the next coming 5 to 10 years.